Hi, today we'll be talking about the properties of parallel lines. Let's get started. So first off, I have this diagram to show which angles are congruent. So the angles in red are congruent to each other, and the angles in blue are congruent to each other. Okay, let's look at why. So the first type are called vertical angles, which is what we already learned. So right here, these two are vertical, and these two are vertical, these two are vertical, and these two are vertical. So these types of angles that are congruent to each other inside the transversal are called alternate interior angles. As you realize, they're interior of the two parallel lines, and they're alternate, right? They're not like on the same side, they're on alternate sides. Okay, then these two angles are called corresponding angles. So as you realize, they're on the same corresponding side. Okay? Then these are called alternate exterior angles. As you realize, they're alternate and they're outside of the two parallel lines. Okay, so let's do an example, and in this example we're going to find the angle measures of all the other angles. So from vertical angles we know that this angle, let me actually do it in a different color, this angle must be 130. Then from alternate interior angles, we know that this angle must be 130 as well. And then from vertical again, we know that this angle must be 130. Okay, great. Now, from the supplementary angle theorem, we know that 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So this angle must equal 50 degrees. By the alternate exterior angle theorem, we know that this angle must be 50 degrees as well. And by the corresponding angles theorem, we know that this angle must be 50 degrees. And then we also know by alternate interior angles that this angle must be 50 degrees as well. Okay, so I hope this helped, and I hope to see you soon.